Hey everybody, this is Mike Biddle, back today with another TYCO US1 Trucking video. We're going to talk today about the guide pins. There's two on the trucks, one in the rear, and then there's one up front. Obviously that's what keeps them in the slots, and I'm not really sure how these get lost, but there's actually quite a few people who are missing these, so they're hard to get. Fortunately, we're able to get some bulk order of these to sell and to help you get your trucks back running again. And they're actually quite simple to replace. If it's already missing, it's just going to be an empty slot there, and you can kind of see how the groove in there slides into the plastic piece. So you can just buy one of the replacement guide pins, and then you're going to just slide it back in place. Here's a truck that I'll show you. You can see it's missing the pin altogether. It's just going to go right in there. So it just slides right in place, real easy. So let me show you how that goes. All right, so I've got my guide pin, and first, thanks to Peter in Florida for sending me this fire truck chassis. And as you can see, I'm just going to put it right in the slot, and it has a groove that it fits in, and then just push that into place. It does take a little bit of effort, but you'll actually hear it snap into place. Basically, I just grabbed the sides of the chassis really good and then pressed with my finger, and then it popped into place. So once you've done that, you're going to be back in business, and this will actually last longer than the factory because it's made out of better material. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on various topics, and also give this video a like so other people can find it as well.